Sophie, you have to leave the fair right now. You cannot stay here anymore.
Why do I have to leave? What did I do wrong? I was just enjoying my evening.
Your wristband is revoked. Emily, she cannot remain inside the fairground gates tonight.
Please explain what is happening, officer. My daughter has done nothing harmful here.
Sophie did not do anything bad. Stop being mean to my big sister.
Officer Reed, we need a clear explanation before you force our young daughter to leave. Look at this surveillance photo. She was the last person touching the expensive prize console. Everyone saw her at the booth right before the entire electronic system broke down completely.
I only pressed the single green game button. I did not break anything inside.
That machine holds thousands of dollars in merchandise, and someone caused major electrical damage. We must escort you out immediately while we complete our formal investigation of the incident.
Do not make my sister leave. She is the best and kindest girl ever.
Wait, look closely. Zoom into the bottom left corner under the arcade machine base.
Look at that blue puddle. That liquid was already leaking there before I touched anything. A puddle does not prove innocence, young lady. The machine worked fine until you pressed it. Everyone move back immediately! Clear the area around the prize booth right now!
Look at all the amazing rides, Leo. The fair looks so bright and exciting today. We have a full afternoon of fun ahead, so let us stay together and enjoy.
Here are your game tickets, kids. Make sure you use them carefully and have fun.
Can we try the duck pond first, Sophie? I want to win a big prize.
Of course, Leo. Let us try the duck pond and see what prize you can get.
Look, I hooked a yellow duck. Let us see what number is on the bottom. Wow, look at it spin in the wind. Now it is your turn, Sophie.
The atmosphere here is lovely today. Let us find a fun game for Sophie next.
Look at this shiny new arcade machine. It has huge stuffed teddy bears inside it.
That looks like an advanced electronic game. Do you want to try your luck, Sophie?
Yes, Dad. Let us see if I can win something cool.
I am inserting my tickets now. Let us see if I can win the bear.
Yay! Go, Sophie!
All I have to do is press this green button when the light aligns.
You've got this, sweetie.
Go, Claw, go! Grab that fluffy brown bear right in the middle of the case. Steady, right there.
I think it grabbed it. The claw is lifting the little bear up perfectly. Yay, you got it!
I won it on my very first try. Look at this cute little bear, Leo.
The display screen blinked strangely. It probably just reset after the game finished. That is wonderful, sweetie. You have great timing and very gentle hands with games. Sophie, look behind you. All the pretty lights on the big machine just turned off.
The motorized shelf inside just failed. Something is clearly wrong with that unit's power supply.
What happened to this brand new machine? It was running smoothly just 5 minutes ago today. Officer Reed, bring up the booth security feed immediately. We need to check what happened. Let us review the last minute of video.
Here is someone at the control panel.
This girl in the blue hoodie was the exact last person who touched the control panel.
Excuse me. We need you to stop right there and step aside with us now.
Hello, officer. Are you talking to me? Did something fall out of my pocket?
You are seen here tampering with the prize machine right before its entire electrical circuit failed.
I did not tamper with anything. I just pressed the normal green game start button.
That machine cost $15,000 to install. Reckless tampering cannot be tolerated at our fair.
My daughter did not tamper with your machine. Pressing a regular game button cannot break electronics.
You are wrong, mister. My sister is nice, and she only played the game fairly.
Fair policy requires immediate removal of any guest involved in equipment damage during an open investigation.
Please do not make a scene here without concrete proof. My daughter is being falsely accused.
Everyone is staring at me like I am a criminal. I really did nothing wrong, Mom.
We believe you completely, Sophie. Stay calm and strong, because the truth will come out soon.
Let us look at this footage carefully together. There must be another factor you are missing.
Dad, look right at the bottom edge near the machine's front metal leg on the floor.
See that blue liquid? That is not water from a drop drink. It looks like coolant.
Please let me show you. The blue liquid is coming from behind the prize game booth.
We cannot have children wandering behind maintenance booths. You must proceed to the exit right now. If there is leaking coolant near high-voltage arcade equipment, that is a severe safety hazard for everyone.
Follow me, Dad. The blue fluid trail goes all the way around this wooden wall. Be careful where you step, Sophie. We do not want anyone slipping on any wet surfaces.
Stay back from the service area. Only authorized fair staff are permitted in the rear corridor.
Look right here on the ground. The blue puddle starts behind this big metal power box.
Sophie is right. This is definitely industrial coolant mixed with condensation running along the floorboards.
Look up there above the junction box. That blue rubber hose has a big wet split.
The cooling pipe is dripping liquid directly onto the power cables connected to the arcade machine.
Do not step any closer, everyone. That wet electrical box carries dangerous high-voltage power lines right now. That is the auxiliary cooling line for the main fairground transformer. It is leaking directly on circuits.
Good heavens! That cooling line was supposed to be serviced yesterday morning before the fair opened today.
Calling technician Ethan Cole to booth 7 immediately. We have an active coolant leak on high voltage. I am here, Marcus. What is the emergency with booth 7's power supply setup? This overhead cooling hose has split open and is dripping conductive fluid straight into the breaker box. Stand back, everyone. This blue glycol coolant is highly conductive and creates immediate short circuits.
The split in this cooling line happened hours ago. Moisture has been building up inside all afternoon. The liquid seeped directly into the main control circuit for the electronic prize machine console.
The machine failed because water shorted the power board, not because anyone pressed the game button.
So pressing the green button did not cause the power failure at all, did it?
Not at all, young lady. The short circuit was already happening right when you played the game.
Look out! The main breaker is overloading! Everyone step back from the entire booth perimeter! Keep moving back, ladies and gentlemen. Please clear the walkway for our maintenance safety crew. Main power to booth 7 is completely shut off. The electrical hazard is isolated and safe. Power is dead. If that leak had continued unnoticed, it could have caused a massive fire.
This young girl's keen observation prevented a very serious electrical fire from spreading through the fair. I owe you a tremendous and sincere apology, Sophie. I rushed to judgment without checking the facts.
You did not damage anything. In fact, your sharp eyes saved our fair from a terrible accident.
I am deeply sorry for taking your wristband, Sophie. Please accept this all-access VIP fair pass.
Thank you, Mr. Hayes and Officer Reed. I am just really glad that nobody got hurt today. Instead of free games, could you please put up clear warning signs around this damaged booth first?
Absolutely, Sophie. Safety signs and barricades will stay up until every single wire is fully replaced. Warning sign is in place. No one will come anywhere near this booth until it is certified safe.
They thought you broke the big game, Sophie, but you actually saved everyone at the fair.
We make a great team, little brother. I am so glad we found the real truth together. We are so proud of you for staying calm and speaking up for the truth, Sophie.
You showed true courage and great detective skills today. You handled a tough situation perfectly.
Everyone here owes you their gratitude, Sophie. Enjoy the rest of your special evening at the fair.
Look, Leo. Now we can ride the giant Ferris wheel and play the balloon pop game.
Let us go all the way to the top of the Ferris wheel so we can see the whole city.
This is going to be the most beautiful view of the entire fairground tonight, kids. Look how high we are going. The fair looks like a magical sea of colorful glowing lights.
It is so peaceful up here. I am so happy we stayed and cleared up the mistake.
Never judge someone from just one photo or one moment. Always look for the whole true story. Always ask questions and look for real clues, just like the bravest big sister in the world. When you search for the truth with courage and patience, the right answers will always shine bright.